Good morning to everyone. This is the Power of Healing with Utabi Ungowekhethelo. Inkosazana yelanga nenyanga. Inkanyezi yamakhosi womntu. Yo, guys, I remembered something this morning. A story. An experience that I had or I've been having. I want to talk about cars. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngeemoto zenu. Yo, ayinasithandazise eemotweni zenu man. Yo, yazi ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokuthi uthi uhamba ngemoto yomuntu uyibone ingozi ngamehlo akho. Uthi uhamba ngeteksi abantu abadala bakudlalela ifilimu yengozi. Abantu abadala bakudlalele ifeeling yengozi emotweni yomuntu. Guys, imoto zenu zi-weak. There's something that ningayiqondi ngento ye-spirituality, ngento yabantu abadala. Bayayikhethela bahlalaphi. Bayayikhethela ukuthi bahlalaphi in your life or your space. Secondly, there's something I understand. You know, being spiritually gifted, ne? Or being spiritually called, guys, akuna on and off button. I will be spiritual today and not spiritual in the next hour. Akuna switch off button. Whether I'm at home, whether I'm sitting with you, akuna on and off button. Akuna skhathi lapho zothi khona namhlanje i-off lento. I cannot read or I cannot channel. Ayikho leyo nto. Even with the ideas that you get, they are not yours. Even with the ideas that you get, they are not yours. But idinga umuntu obiziwe lento, yabo? Idinga umuntu obiziwe. Ningathi mase ninama-thoughts adinayo or ama-thoughts amabi bese nithi ukokuthe it's not it's abantu abadala cha. Idinga umuntu obiziwe lento. Nezinto esizibonayo nikhulumayo uyabona ukuthi sekuqhutshwa i-agenda akusese ukuthi lo muntu lento iphiwe but angikho lapho. Kuqhutshwa i-content. So I'm one person angizange ngizocorrecta guys. Umuntu nomuntu akayiqhube ngesikhabo. Sikupsise emotweni. Niyayazi le situation yokuthi imoto ifloat. Uthi ugibela imoto ifloat. I've had an experience. I think bengisebenza eThekwini, bengiyosebenza eThekwini olwandle a few times. But this particular day ngilandwe ubhuti we-Bolt or we-Uber, we-Bolt yeah. Angilande e-station. Yazi ayikho into emnandi njengokuthi ungene emotweni yomuntu uhlangabezwa abantu abadala. Ngathi ngena nje kuleya moto ngahlangabezwa umkhulu ombathe izembatho zikaShembe. Ngingena nje kuleya moto. Imnandi ke leyo moto ngiyalala nokulala kuyo because I know I'm safe. I know I'm safe. Yazi kuneyimoto singena kuzo ne. I think I've had especially when I travel ngeBolt kakhulu. I've had clients that I would actually read for them ngisemotweni yabo because especially when it comes to makhehla. Mina guys amakhehla ngaza ngithandana. Mina makhehla I know no there's something ngamina makhehla because especially because I know amakhehla athanda imoto, right? I know amakhehla athanda imoto. But the thing is now uthi uyangena livele ulithola lihleli nje lihleli guys no gogo libona kanjani ikhehla anisiyekeni thina sithe siyibonayo zingale uthi uyangena emotweni uhlangabezwe i-energy yale khehla yo hayi guys. So I've had people that initially have to read or ngibanika ama-messages because le khehla lingihlelele la. I remember there was this other day at McDonald's. You know when people know ukuthi you are a medium, ne? They start questioning. Gogo manje mina ubonani ngami? So unfortunately sometimes uthubuza wena kanti bazongitshela ngecolleague yakho. So I had that incident where somebody was interested shem kanti kuzophakama umama womuntu ongale engambonanga nokubona fanele ngimtshele indaba zakhe. But there's a difference. There's a difference between a consultation and a message from the ancestors. If you come to me, bakulethe bona, it's a consultation. But if they come to you, meaning I have to go to you, that's a message. No mehluko between the two. So, it's very interesting. Somebody once asked me, ukuthi manje mangingafa njengoba ungangitshela indaba zami ngathi ayisisa ngikwazi. Angikwazi ngiyagcina futhi njengoba sibonene manje, so don't manipulate me ukuthi if ungafa ngizobe ngingazi ukuthi ufile. Anyway, yeah. So amakhehla guys neemoto zenu, it's nice when you get into somebody's car and then you get that energy. I can personally tell you where my late dad is sitting. Lapho onyeke uzummise energy yakhe khona. You understand? You feel safe. You feel really safe. I've seen cars ezinabantu abadala so many times. Bese uthola lezi weak, lezi guys unokuthi ugibela itaxi ithinto kimi yehla. Awukho safe. Awukho safe. Hey imoto zenzi light. Yo. Uthi khona I think khona ubhuti engike ngamtshela ngathi yo bhutiza, I'm sorry to say this but imoto yakhe light. Imoto yakhe ayinasindo at all, ayinasindo. Leyo start yosifaka ebridging. Yeah, understand? Imoto zenu guys, people seem to think lezinto zi-complex. People seem to think ukufaka abantu abadala emotweni ku-complex. I'm not going to tell you what to do, but because nikopa too much ku-TikTok senginibonile ukuthi nize nikhulume nezinto ezi-wrong. Nize nikhulume yazi into guys ma ungayiphiwanga. I like to follow into engiyiphiwe abakithi because into ma ungayiphiwanga ugcina ukukhuluma into just for content and manje uzolimaza abantu. Uyabona? So I personally would say always I speak out of my own experience and my own world. Yeah. So guys, it's not I don't know how many times I've gone with people ngiyoyenza izinto zami umsebenzi wami because in most cases ngiqhasha abo driver or siqhasha imoto if umuntu angenamoto. So all the cars that take me ngiyoyenza ama-rituals wami ngiyazibonga. There's a reason for that. Le moto engizithathayo ngihambe nazo ngiyazibonga le moto. My people that have driven with me bayazi. Sometimes futhi akubi na imoto uthi usasebenza lo msebenzi kuthiwe kuwe thatha lo muntu umfake emanzini. I do that guys. I do that. Umsebenzi enguphiwe wokuthi ngimamela abantu abadala, hayi ngimamela uThabile. I'm not obsessed about money. If there's 3 things that you should know about me ezibalulekile kimi esungowekhethelo, ayikho into ebaluleke njengomntwana, indlu nemoto. Lezo zinto zibalulekile kutheni sizenze kahle. Umntwana, indlu, imoto. If you wanna connect with your ancestors correctly, if you want your guides to be present, those 3 things are very important. You understand? So they are very dear and close to my heart. So yeah, so I bless those cars because I see you might think we kashile. but then it had to be there on that day. Wena ungacabanga ukuthi bengiyiqhashile nje kanti bekufanele ibe khona on that day. Guys, the spiritual realm works in a different level from what you think. The spiritual, so when I said to you, indaba ye spiritual realm, kunesikhathi I've said to people, stop opening the portal. Your spiritual realm kakhulu because you end up being confused wena. And le space lesi, that is why sometimes uthola umuntu drained or abone ngathi izinto azisahambi. Nina, you open the portal too much in such a way you don't understand ukuthi, guys, I've said emanzini kunesikhathi sakhona. The spiritual realm, to open the portal kunesikhathi sakhona. Ngathi ebantwini, stop ukuhlala emathongeni. Nina nifuna ukuhlala emathongeni. Umuntu wenyama usaphila kulo mhlaba lo kodwa uzifuna emathongeni. You need to balance these things. Ungazi uzibone ngathi awukho right ekhanda. But anyway, sifundisana different language. So yeah, guys, ake nizame man ukuthi imoto zenu, imoto ayibe nesithunzi. Imoto ayibe nesithunzi, imoto ayisinde. Imoto yomuntu ayisinde, niphonsakale emaweni nje ngoba hayi. Kanti abanye noma bayithenga le imoto, angazi, I think it's different for me because my world is different. My world is weird and different and not normal. I've learned to accept that. But mawuyithenga imoto, guys, don't you feel the spirits? Don't you feel, do spirits not talk to you or your intuition? As cool as again, I'm a spirits again, it's a different total topic for Nina. But don't you feel, what does your intuition say? Mawuyithenga imoto. Ungayithengeli ukuthi ufuna ukugcwalisela abantu. What does your intuition say about leyo moto? Because okay, let's look at imoto where imoto a second-hand car. Guys, mawuyithenga awukukhulume nabakini and ask the realm to open up for you so that you see what's happening with that car. Please ask the realm, the spiritual realm, to open up for you. Ubone okungale kwale moto. Nizosibulala. Sengisho nje nama-taxi nizosibulala. Yo, yazi guys, ukhona ukugibela imoto ne? Ugibela imoto yomuntu uyibone ingozi, ilento, not ingozi. I didn't want to say ingozi. There's something that I wanted to say. Okay. Kuba ingozi. Uthi ugibela imoto yomuntu ubone ukuthi la sizo hijack la. Chances of me being hijacked, us being hijacked la iningi. I've been in cars where they are stopped and I would say to driver. I remember there was this guy who was very worried. Ama-traffic officers zomstopha ngathi uyayi mawuhamba nami kusho ukuthi uzoba unento zakhe ezingekho ezi-serious. Hamba nami bakustophe. Hayi, no. Even if bakustopha, they will just make a conversation, that's it. I will hamba nami. And I'm not saying that to brag or anything, but ukuthi I trust the realm. I trust labantu abangale kwami. Yabona. So imoto ayibe nesithunzi, imoto ayisinde. I know. Uthi uyayigibela imoto. Yo guys, uyigibela imoto yomuntu ubaba wethu osezulwini umkhulume. Yo, I know man. Zamani ngeyimoto zenu. Ake nikhulume nazo futhi mangabe kuyakhulumeka nazo, guys. Khulumani. Yo, I know. Imoto zenu ziweak. Yazi enye uzuhlale kodwa ufile like izohlephuka phakathi. Hey! Uyayibona le moto yintsha kodwa the feeling you've got ukuthi izohlephuka phakathi le moto. Yo, Aisha. But angisho kabi ke asifundisaneni kodwa imoto nje, imoto ithanda ukuthi imoto ayibe nabantu abadala. imoto ibe nabantu abadala ibe mnandi nje. Uyayazi le situation where ungena emotweni ne, ungena emotweni ulale, yo ayimnandi leyo moto Jehova. Ungena emotweni ulale, that is how comfortable imoto should be. Bakushushuzele, you understand? Imoto zenu it's not about ukuyiqinisa. Let me explain this. It's not about ukuyiqinisa. It's not about mangithi mina ukuyiqinisa. Ningaze nithathe imoto nithi niyoyiqinisa ugogo Thabuthe. It's not about ukuyiqinisa. Kunento nemoto nabantu abadala. Kunento nemoto nabantu abadala bakini. Hayi isiphiwo sesenyanga leyo zoyisa kuyo, kodwa nabantu abadala bakini nemoto yakho. Kunento esizoyihlalela phansi sixoxeni ngelinye ilanga ekungasi ukuthi because it is in. Ngifuna ukunenzela i-scenario. Let me create i-story for nina. Awukuthatha imoto yakho uyibonisa mhlambe kulaba ogogo abasaphila. Ubone ukuthi ngezehle yini inyembezi ugogo. Ngizobuya nginitshele ukuthi leyo nto ikhoswa yini ngelinye ilanga. Thatha imoto yakho uyibonisa ugogo wakho okuzalayo whatever. Ubone ukuthi ngeke zehle. Why imoto ithakazelela ugogo, especially abantu abayibonisa abantu abadala. Why asuke shithakazelo uma ingena le moto. So ixoxa ngelinye ilanga, angizungena deep. So ixoxa ngelinye ilanga. Why azoyibiza? Uyayibiza phela. Why azoyibiza? Anyway, bengithi mangisho nje ukuthi sizeni ke bafowethu zamani nokuzilungisa imoto zenu. Hey man, imimoya eseyimotweni zenu is too much. Imimoya eseyimotweni zenu is too much. Ngiyabonga.